always look for the quality of the produce. It doesn't necessarily mean that the produce is the most beautiful, but you know, I always like to try to break off a little piece, sneak a little taste. Something like a pea, you know, see if it nice and sweet, very good. My wife loves salmon, so today we're gonna be making a grilled salmon. We're gonna brine the fish, we're gonna sear the fish to get nice crispy skin, slowly smoke it. We're gonna be serving that with a non-pla sauce. She also loves burrata, so we're serving that with a beautiful tomato salad, and we have grilled broccolini with a manicotti sauce, tented woods mushrooms, and red radish. For me, whenever I'm choosing the salmon, you know, it's what I'm gonna do with the rest of the salmon. So when we had a whole fillet like that, I'm gonna use the bottom loin, I'm gonna make like sushi with it. The top loin, I wanna definitely serve it nice and seared because it has less fat. Make sure we have nice white heat coming off the pan. We wanna have enough oil that when we put the fish in, you want the oil to kind of come up to the side of the fish a little bit so the skin gets crispy all the way around. You also want to make sure your skin is very dry, because if it's not dry, you're not going to be able to get a nice sear on it. I think people get intimidated when they grill. I think a lot of times it has to do with the heat. When do I cook? Is something's burning or it's not hot enough? And I think understanding that, like, just controlling that temperature is very, very important. And how they can overcome that is just being able to cook something over and over again. Repetition is ultimately what makes us better at what we do. All right, we're gonna transfer it into our grill pan over here. This is really nice because this tool gives you the flexibility to really get underneath the fish, pick up the whole fish, nice and gently turn it. And fish is really delicate, so the fish can have the tendency to flake and fall apart on you. But having the right tool for the right job really allows us to have a successful cook. We're gonna season the broccolini with a little bit of the olive oil and salt. One of the things that I really love about grilling is the flavor that you can put into the food. You know, whether you're smoking something for a long period of time or you're grilling over direct like wood fire, I really love the tactical sense of you need to make the fire to actually cook the food and control that food, you know, control the heat, control the temperature, control the coals, and then also the different ways that you can utilize that, right? Are you grilling over open flame? Are you grilling on the coals? Are you grilling on embers? All of those things create different experiences. I love this guy. It pours like super steady and smooth. A lot of times, you know, as a chef, we're putting our finger over the bottle a lot, and then you can't really control how much you're using. And you get your finger dirty, then the next thing you touch, you have to go wash your hands or something like that. So the fact that it really like comes out really steady and smooth. I've always loved grilling and cooking outdoors. The flavor that you get is different, and I love that aspect of it. It's been a fun journey exploring that. Honestly, I love what I do.